Okay, some dumbass closed the camera again.
Okay, what do you think? Maybe
Let me see.
about here?
No, no, you gotta go down. Just like you did these other ones, look them
Okay.
around.
All right.
So you clip it right there, let's see if that's good. That's right there. Right here against my thumb. Yep, same thing.
Perfect.
And you don't make it dead, you don't make it super short because that has to be able to have some flexibility in there if you got to play around with the cable or whatever. And you got another piece of shrink already?
Yep, it's already on there.
You just need a hook on your wall just to throw these on there.
Right.
Just like that. So just throwing a pile on the table. Like that.
Shrink is already up there, so I can put them there.
In the correct direction. This is a big one.
Well, trying to do that backwards.
I don't know.
Oh, doing all right, huh?
Where's the titty at? You either turn the pliers or turn the fitting, doesn't matter which one, terminal. It's fine, as long as it goes in the hole. You didn't put the shrink on it. Oh. Just making sure you're paying attention.
Okay. I'm glad. Trust me. More times than not, I don't put the shrink on.
You already clicked.
Trust me, I get
You already
myself.
pinched it enough down it wouldn't get it back on anyway if you took it off. You could pull it off, but you ain't putting it back on. Okay, get that hot gear rolling. What I like about shrinking these on, there's so much lower profile than stupid ass, big honking ass insulated eyelets. So much better. And the glue on insulated shrink tubing seals the wires so it doesn't get corrosion up inside of it too, which is a nice thing to have also. Okay, put those all in there.
Do you think it matters that this one be on the bottom or the top, being it the one coming off of it? Do you care?
No, it doesn't matter because they're just all stacked on each other.
Okay.
It's just you have to put them where they're not pushing on the hard part of the eyelet, obviously. You just have to stack and rotate. And we still gotta get a lock washer and a flat washer on there anyway. Remember, this isn't permanent, but it's enough to test it and see what we gotta do. Go ahead and tighten it down like it's semi-real, not all real. Socket's right here, you can use mine. Got your own? There you go. Mine right here. They can't sit on top of each other, so put that one up higher. There you go. That's good, don't get too carried away. It's coming back off. So. See, I put a twist in this thing like this to soak up length and get it off the steel. But we gotta be careful about I'm gonna have to do something like that to get down low enough to not drag. And these are hot wires here too, so we'll make sure these aren't gonna be eaten up by the cover.
Okay.
All right, let's put the cover up on there and see how it looks.
All right.
See if it all fits in there like it's supposed to. It's nice and clean. You can track the wires now. You can see what goes to what.
Yeah. We got it cleaned that up.
We got a halfway
much.
decent color code system going here. This one's sticking up pretty far. Oh, that's that one. Yeah, it's nice and clean there now. Look at that. Can I have the socket out already? I got to put away or what? Let's go.
Wrong side. We're not gonna go under that well.
How about this one that's laying over here? How about this one?
Maybe a better idea, huh?
Okay, so I'm worried about those ones in here. Those hot wires might have to be rerouted or something, I'm not sure.
Get started here and see what happens. Holds way off there. Appears.
Is that a metric gallon or?
No.
It's like a metric gallon American thread, it doesn't fit. Alright, don't get too carried away, it's just small cuts, it's coming apart.
Plastic too.
It was already tight, I always saw you tighten it. Okay, how's those red wires? Are they rubbing on at all or not? Or
Not being touched at all.
okay, if they are, we just kind of bend them around a little bit to get them, make like a curve, natural curve in them.
Yep. That looks good. Doesn't seem like.
And up here, there's no problem on the wire in here that we can't really see in there very well, but
Doesn't look like anybody's being pushed on.
got lots of room in here.
I like that. Don't see anything that's concerning.
Okay. Just this thing here hanging here for no reason.
This is my power up there, so I'll figure out what I'm going to do.
Well, that can run underneath here for now to get out of the way. That'll fit on there, won't it? Yeah.
Yeah.
I just don't want it near this. I'd run it back on itself like this. There you go. It's not wobbling around. It's got like its own built-in holding fixture there. Yeah, nice and clean. That's tight. That's not rubbing hard there, is it? No, good. Don't want to rub it on the frame.
Yeah. Battery's nice and solid. It's not trying to go anywhere.
Oh yeah, the cardboard works good until it gets wet and it just turns to mush. So for now it's good enough, but you'll have to do it. See, someone put this thing in here. See how they put these here?
Some styrofoam, right?
See, those need to be twisted down, so they rub it on a cable over there. Yeah, it's much better. They didn't do that correctly. See, it should have been the other direction. So,
So head back there.
yeah, I don't know why you sloppy
It's kind
job.
of big anyways, so I'll probably should change that out anyhow.
Yeah, yeah, whatever. We got more of them.
That's so much better.
We can put all the black electrical tape now. You put a whole roll of it right here. Emergency use. 'Cause we're not using it. And this,
Wow, that is so much nicer. Oh my goodness.
this is nice and clean all the way up through here too. Looks nice all through here. I tied this one up here tight, put it back in there. We don't have that problem with the wire dragging across the rib on the old
Yeah, no, we
tank,
don't have to worry about that.
which was a
Yeah.
bad plan.
And it didn't look very clean coming across there either, because you could
Harley
see.
would have never done it because it's going to eat through the wire. They're not stupid. They know that shit. All right. So this side here, we didn't take the rubber off. If we want to, we could, or just ignore it. There's nothing wrong with it. But if you want to swap them out, we can swap them out. But what you got works fine. I don't see a problem with it. Just leave it.
All right, let's put this over here and see what happens.
Excuse me.
Bless you.
Get out of the way.
Thank you.
Get this thing out of my way. There's a lot of alcohol in this phone over here.
What's that?
A lot of alcohol. Oh, it's that rag up there.
Yeah, it's right next to my head.
Yeah, that's what's making me sneeze. Guess I got delicate nostrils today. I'm not used to hazardous material like denatured alcohol. It's pretty bad. I'm more into the brake clean and the solvents and nitro and shit like that. Doesn't bother me, but denatured alcohol, that makes me sneeze.
Getting you.
Yeah. Nothing getting pinched in there?
Doesn't feel like it. I'm gonna double
Okay.
check if we're done here. It's got a little cutout for the wires to come out down here.
Yeah, I know you said you butchered it. Yeah, I saw that.
It's
Non-factory.
no, I think that's a factory option. I don't think I did that. Maybe somebody else did.
Yeah, it's in there.
See, it doesn't feel like anything's
Yeah,
landing in there. Everything's loose. It's got
it moves around like it's supposed
it's
to.
got plenty of room in there.
Yeah.
Nothing feels like it's being cut.
Finally starting to quit pussy.
You stopping bleeding?
Oh, it's still oozing a little bit, but it's got a good tooth mark in there, so. All right. So now you gotta get the gas tank figured out. We'll worry about them tomorrow. We gotta get those bolts in the back cover. This one's gotta come back off, so let's go ahead and take this off so we don't forget.
Okay.
So we can get some hardware for that and that other wire. This pause wire going across won't hurt to upgrade
Okay.
to a bigger, to a 14. So the alternator doesn't have any issues. So why did it take all day to do wiring?
Well, there's a big mess to clean up there for sure. And we had to run all over town to get things
Parts.
we need because they didn't have anything here.
And what did you find out? Do not go to an electrical supply place for good wire. Go to a hot rod shop.
Yeah. Hot rod shop, for sure.
Yeah, hot rod shop has good
I
parts.
thought we were going to the right place. It's like a specialty electrical store, and it was
Yeah.
more kind of computer-based shit or something, right?
Yeah, they had a lot of Cat 5. Yeah.
So you guys got any good electrical wire? Or
They didn't know what they
wires?
were.
Like, well, we
They didn't know what we were talking about.
kind of backed off the wire about 10 years ago. What?
Yeah, we don't sell anything that's good anymore. All right. Are we going to upgrade the gas tank fuel line, or just keep that in the back burner for in case we need it? I think your hose is pretty good, the black hose you had, but if you want to put the good stuff on there, it's a one-time deal. You'll never replace it.
I bought it already. Might as well throw it on there.
Yeah, it's good shit. So
You want to drop the tank on it?
no, I think we're good for tonight. We'll deal with this tomorrow.
Okay.
It's got to be getting late.
I have no idea. I've lost track of time.
Well, if so, we'll come back and do some more videoing. But we got to deal with we got to get the wire and the hardware to button up that the left side over there. And you got to put the ignition cover back on. That hasn't been put back on yet. For on this side. And then the carburetor, if you want to play with the carburetor, we're going to have to do different cables here because these are going to be the wrong ones.
I don't think that's a problem I can fix fast enough.
So why don't you got a tape measure real handy? Let's measure the length of the cable here real quick.
I've got one for like fabric that we can bring out here that'll go right around
I
it.
just want to measure, it doesn't have to, I just want to get within 2 inches, it's fine. Perfect, that's just fine. Just measure the black part. So start up here, circle around. Just give me a rough idea what we got here. I can hold this one side if you want. Okay, the black's what you measure. So just push it up against the black and just run around. Doesn't have to be perfect, we're just getting a rough idea where we're at.
You need to hang on to that for me. I'm struggling.
Oh, I'm trying to find it. Oh, where's the cable?
Just hang on.
Okay, perfect. Run us to the back carburetor now.
Oh, I moved.
You moved.
Yeah.
You only moved about 5 inches, though. Okay, that's the one. Top. Okay. Okay, I'm holding it. Just worry about the bottom. Just worry about the bottom. 30 what? 33. Yeah. Okay. I might make it. It's gonna be close, but I might make it. I got a couple 33s. Most of them are 30s. 30, 32 is what I brought. So it's gonna be close. It'll be close. So you got an SU you want to put on, you got a CV Cayenne you want to put
No,
on,
the CV.
you have a billet piece of crap that used to be on it, and you want to put a McCuney on it, and a flat slide, and then was the other, you gonna put a round one on too? What else you got to choose from? Put a dual Weber on it?
I got a dual lever.
There you go.
I bought that, remember?
You got that too? Good.
I got a dual lever in there.
Put that on there too, okay.
We got plenty of carburetors to choose from, but I'm hoping this is what I run.
38 round slide McCuney is what you need, that's the best one.
Yes.
You're gonna put that fucking damn modern piece of crap on there, but whatever. Hopefully it clears the gas tank. You know, should be high enough in FXR, but we'll see. But we have to change cables, we need CV cables.
We'll see what happens.
Yep.
I'm interested to see how she makes it run.
Okay, that's it for now.